Joyce, and I am here because I have been making cards. Let me ask you a question. When you're making cards, do you make just one card at a time, or do you because if you cut paper to make a card and you make the card base, you can get 2 cards, right? So do you just make 1 card and put the rest of the paper in your scrap bin, or do you make 2 cards so you don't have any scraps? Okay, normally I do cards in batches, and so I'll make a lot of card bases. Well, I'm trying to go through my room and clean up the mess, and I had all of these card bases that have been just sitting and waiting for me to make cards. And so this is only half of them, so I'm not even finished yet, but this is half of the ones that I've been working on, and I just wanted to come in and share. And I always have blank card bases, because I just hate to have a lot of scrap paper. And I had 2 containers full, and now I'm down to 1, and I'm going to be cutting that paper up so that it's ready to make cards and what have you. But so I've been, like I said, cleaning up my room, trying to get back organized, and wanted to complete some of this stuff that's been just laying on my desk. So I pulled out some of my word dies, and this one is Lawn Fawn, happy birthday. I like to have just basic birthday cards on hand, thank you cards, whatever, because you don't never know when you need it, and I hate to have to make a card at the last minute. So I just got this die here, and it says sending big hugs, and that's what it would look like on a card. Cat scrappiness, let me see what these say. Sending paper hugs is one, and hello my crafty friend, so that's what those 2 are. And then I've got hello crafty friend again, that's what that one is, and that is from Scrap Diva Designs, which I had never used before, so I'm using that. And then this one just says eat, sleep, create, and repeat, and that's another Scrap Diva Designs. So I just pulled out a few of my, like I said, I love words, and this one says celebrate in style, and that's a tonic one. And so those are some that I had used, and I'm going to use this at a later date. I just was ready to get some of this stuff put up. So let me show you one that I made, and there's this one, and it just says hello crafty friend. The insides have been matted, and this is just some paper. I don't remember where it came from. Like I said, I've got another stack just as big as this one that I'm trying to get through with, but that's that Scrap Diva die. I really like that, and I love how it looks with the pink and the gold. So card is ready to be put with an envelope and ready to send. Eat, sleep, craft, repeat, all matted. I just wanted to get some of these done, get them ready to use, and this is a different one. And I'm thinking this pink and this green paper were in the same pad. I don't remember. They've been sitting around forever, but that just says the same thing. And then there's 2. So they are now ready to send out, and this was a birthday card. This background paper here was some wrapping paper that was on one of my birthday gifts from my girlfriend. And I love the paper, and it's got that shininess to it, and I still need to matte that one because I'm not sure what color I want to matte it with. And so I just use, once you fold wrapping paper and then you go to cut it, you still get some of the folds, which is okay. I'm still got to do those too. And then here's one I did in purple because that section of the paper had more grapes and stuff in it. And so I just made that a birthday card. So I have people that I work with that I don't necessarily go out of my way to make special birthday cards for them, but I want to give them something, so that's when I would pull out one of these and just give it to them. And then here is the cat scrappiness. Hello, my crafty friends. You know, I get ready to send something to somebody who crafts, and I always have to dig around for a card, so these will make it a little easier. And then here's this one, sending paper hugs. That can go to just about anyone. And then this is the one that's celebrating style. That's the tonic die, and this was a gift bag that I'm not sure what happened to the rest of that paper, but I think that I already gave it, you know, made cards and gave them away. But I loved that bag, and so this, I just think, makes a really pretty birthday card or whatever you want to celebrate. And that's what it looks like on the inside, and it's all matted. And then this one is just sending big hugs, and I still need to mat the inside because I'm looking for some paper that's kind of this color here to mat with. And guys, those are my projects, those are my cards, and I just was curious how everybody else, what everybody else does when they are making cards. Do you just make one and then have scrap paper? I am really trying my best not to have a lot of scrap paper. You know, I am a paper lover, so I keep buying paper, and I got more paper than I know what to do with, so I just do not want to end up with a lot of scraps. So I will be trying to use it all when I'm working on a project and just not have a lot of scraps left over. Anyway, those are my cards, except a few of those still need to be finished. But guys, I am excited because it is time now to take these cards, put them in envelopes, well, not in envelopes, but I have the little plastic sleeves, and to get all the cards matted on the inside and in a plastic bag, and put it up. When I need a card, all I have to do is pick it up and mail it. I am excited. So stay tuned for the next video, guys. I still got a lot of things going on, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.